Examples for centripetal force. There are so many examples can be given for centripetal force. For example, you just imagine you're rolling a stone with the help of thread in a circular motion, in a circular path. So here the tension in the string will act as a centripetal force which helps the body to change its velocity continuously. So the centripetal force will always act towards to the center and which helps the change in direction of velocity for the particle. So this is one of the example. Another example, just imagine the similar situation. We can apply it to an atom and electrons revolving around the nucleus. So in the nucleus, the positive charges and neutral charges be there, and the electrons will revolve around the nucleus according to Bohr's model in a circular orbit. So here electrostatic force or electrostatic attractional force is helping the electrons to revolve around the nucleus in a circular path. So here the electrostatic attraction force is acting like a centripetal force where the velocity of the electron is continuously changes by the direction, but magnitude of velocity remains constant, but the velocity of electron direction changes, which is supported by the electrostatic force which act towards to the center of the atom called nucleus. So this is one more example. The same example can be applicable even for the planets which are revolving around the stars. So if this is sun, so each planet is revolving around the star with the help of gravitational force. So here the gravitational force between the sun and planets will act as a centripetal force which always keeps the planet to change their velocity and keeps them in the path. So gravitational force of attraction is helping the planets to revolve around the sun. So this is another example. So likewise, so many examples can be given. Even one more example, if any vehicle is moving in a circular path, so if a vehicle wanted to change its direction, here friction is supporting the vehicle to change its direction. Here the friction is acting as a centripetal force. So friction will act as a centripetal force. If there is no friction, so any vehicle cannot change their direction on their own. So with the help of the frictional force, the vehicles could able to change their direction towards to the center. This is called, these are the examples for centripetal force.